Welcome to this step-by-step walkthrough on how to build a fully functional Pomodoro timer using anti-gravity. In this video, we're going to demonstrate how an AI-powered development agent can generate a complete web application from scratch using a single prompt. This includes HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files, all created automatically. Anti-gravity is an advanced AI development environment that allows you to describe what you want in plain English, and it generates working code for you. It builds on modern AI systems, similar in foundation to technologies developed by Google and other leading AI research organizations, focusing on automation, reasoning, and code generation. At the start, you can see the anti-gravity main interface. Here, we enter a detailed prompt describing the application we want to build. Now, let's scroll down and take a closer look at the prompt. At this point, the system shows generating. This means the agent has started processing the request. Behind the scenes, it is breaking down the task into smaller components, planning the structure, identifying required files, and preparing to generate code. Now you can see the message thinking for oneself along with steps like prioritizing tool usage and refining aesthetics. This phase is important. The agent is not just generating code blindly, it is reasoning. It decides what files are needed, how GUI should look, how the logic should function, how to structure the application cleanly. This is what differentiates modern AI coding agents from simple code generators. They simulate a development workflow. Now the agent begins generating the HTML file. The HTML defines the structure of the Pomodoro timer application. It includes the layout of the timer, display buttons for start, pause, and reset, containers for styling and interaction as you scroll through the generated HTML. Notice how clean and organized it is. The agent follows standard web development practices, making it easy to understand and modify later. Next, the agent generates the JavaScript file, typically named app.js, and the style sheet, style.css. The JavaScript file handles all the logic, countdown functionality to state management. Now we move to the usage phase. The agent provides instructions on how to use the generated files. It shows where the files are stored locally. To run the application, locate the generated project folder in the HTML file usually named index.html. Click or open it in any web browser. No server setup is required because this is a simple client-side application. Here, we open the HTML file in the browser. The Pomodoro timer is now fully functional. You can start the timer, pause it, reset it, observe the countdown behavior. This demonstrates that the generated code is not just theoretical, it works in a real environment. The timer follows the Pomodoro technique. Focus sessions, typically 25 minutes, short breaks in between. This entire process highlights several important points. Anti-gravity can generate complete applications from a single prompt. Clear instructions lead to better results. System uses reasoning, not just code generation. It is production ready and easy to use. By following this workflow, you can build your own applications using anti-gravity even if you're not an expert developer. Start with a clear idea, write a structured prompt, and let the AI handle the heavy lifting. From there, you can refine, customize, and expand your application as needed.